Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to relocate the paths or how to relink maps in Premiere Pro. It's happened because sometime we change the folder location or drive path. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So here is the Premiere Pro file, let's open it. Click OK. In Link Media screen, it's showing the missing paths. All mark files is its auto detect. Now only one path is missing, which is unmark. Now click on Locate. It will show the path location. You have to go manually on the file folder. Copy the path. And paste it into the path. Click on the search, so it will find the file. Now it's fixed. If you open the file without relocate it, right-click on the missing file. You can also go to the media link from here. If it's missing, then it's show. Now it's fixed. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.